Hi guys, let's see how to hide zero values in Google Sheets. So let's say you have a column and there are some zero values and you don't want to show the zero, should be blank. It's your wish. So how to do this? This is just very simple. Just select that particular column or select that range and then click on Format from the top tab and then hover your mouse on number, and on the right side this menu will pop up, and now go to custom number format, click on it. Now here you have to type 0 and then semicolon and then -0 and then another semicolon and then nothing. Just type nothing and another semicolon. So what does this mean? That the positive number is written as it is, the negative number is written as it is, but when it's 0, then nothing is to be written. This instructs the Google Sheet for this, and then after that end it with an @ okay, and then click on apply, and that's it. Now 0 is no more visible here. Okay, if you want to undo this in future, just select it, click on format, click on custom number format again, and you can type any other, choose any other value like 0.00 or 0 or @ whatever it is, and it will be shown again. Thanks for watching. Please do like and don't forget to subscribe.